Hey everybody, Tarl Yarber with Fixated Real Estate, and I want to talk to you guys about my personal experience working with Heaton Dainard, specifically James Dainard and Will Heaton. Working with them over the years has helped our business completely grow. In 2015, I got introduced to James and his team at Heaton Dainard, and I was just starting out in the Pacific Northwest market on our own with Fixated Real Estate. I'd been doing business for years as a partnership with some other groups, but I needed to get out on my own with Fixated. So in 2015, I met James, and he helped us from start to finish to really get our feet wet here in the Pacific Northwest area, flipping houses. And over the years, we bought tons of properties from them. And the number one reason why I enjoy working with James and his team is because, honestly, it doesn't matter what's going on in my life. I know that when they send me a deal, I know that it's a good deal for me, or else they wouldn't send it to me. They know my buying criteria, they know what I'm looking for, they know the markets I invest in, and they don't send me stuff I'm not interested in. They send me the stuff they know I'm interested in, so it doesn't waste my time, right? I'm a busy guy just like you guys are busy in your lives, and you don't have time to waste looking at bad deals all day. So for us, I find the most effective way that if I'm looking for a property that I want to be able to buy without having to spend much time mulling over, I go to Heaton Dainard. I know that the support they're going to bring, I even know that they can help with financing for other people as well. So there's even been a couple times where we've been struggling trying to get the financing on a property, and they've jumped in and helped us with that too. It's been fantastic working with them over the years. I look forward to continue to working with them. They just brought me this tub in a property that we bought not too long ago from them as well, and I'm excited. We're going to keep this tub, by the way. They helped us realize that in order to rehab this house to its full potential, we got to keep a soaker tub, right? I would never bought this tub. Are you kidding me? Heaton Dainard brought me this tub. Thank you. So that said, hope you guys buy properties from Heaton Dainard like we have over the years, and you too can have a tub like this.